Hello and welcome back for today's puzzle. Looks like today we're going to be doing puzzle 108. Let's start off with this box. We're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. Looks like for this column we're missing a 4. For this column we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box looks like we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 5, a 7 here, so 4, 5. The only place our 7 can be is here. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 there, so 8, 9. For this box, we're missing a 4 and a 5, and I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here. So 5, 8, 5 and an 8 here. So this is our 2, and no help here, so that leaves 5 and 8. For this bottom row, looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here. So this is our 1. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got the 1, so 3, 8. The 3 here, so 1, 8. And the 3 and 8 there means this is our 1. So that makes this our 8 and our 3. For this box then, we're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 8, 9. That 5 makes this our 4 and 5. So to finish out this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, looks like we're also missing a 6. For this box then, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. And 8 makes this our 5, which makes this our 4, 5. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 2 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. And so this box then is missing a 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here. So this is our 1 and 3. All right, thank you again so much for joining me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.